Hello friends. Sometimes air fryer control panel stops responding. Needs more attempts to work properly. If you notice, it's common with the most used settings on panel. In general, it's because of the panel capacitive sensors not sensing the light touch. So here I'm to share 3 simple solutions to fix this issue. As a caution, first wipe the panel and always use clean hands to avoid any grease buildup. Let's get started. First thing, when panel doesn't respond in first 2 attempts due to less pressure, try with your thumb for a firm touch. You will see the difference immediately. If this doesn't work still, then try to wake up air fryer by opening and closing the door once. It resets the air fryer and panel will respond quickly. If this also doesn't work, unplug the air fryer and plug it back to reset air fryer fully. It will start working nicely with single touch. Additionally, if none of these solutions work, then unplug the air fryer for a few minutes before retrying. Panel should start responding without any issues. Otherwise, contact customer care to check for wear and tear or any other faults with the unit. Hope you find my tips useful. See you again with many more amazing tips and awesome recipes. Thanks for watching.